All right, defy the White House and resume transgender treatment for minors. The DOJ writing, quote, "Harmful procedures on our most vulnerable population." Fox News contributor and George Washington University law professor Jonathan Turley joins us now. Jonathan, thanks so much for joining the program. I mean,
Thank you, Lawrence.
From a legal to end.
Now, this is an extraordinary move by James. It's just the latest controversial move that she has made as Attorney General. She's essentially telling these recovery of damages from you, possibly shut you down. She's not clear on how far she would go. But the real irony here is that often you hear this mantra from people like James of we have to follow the science. Well, 40 hospitals have suspended these procedures. The AMA has thrown a flag on this and said that the evidence is not clear that they're doing this. You still have to do it because I'm going to charge you as discriminatory. And Lawrence, got to keep in mind that many of the European countries have also moved in the way of the Trump administration, according to what was called the Cass report, that had raised serious concerns over these procedures in terms of the harm to minors.
Here's one of the surgeons that used to be there that performed some of these surgeries. Let's watch it.
I can only imagine what the parents were going through. I mean, they're told that their child is going to kill themselves if they don't have these surgeries. You know, they're pressured. And what are you supposed to do? You drop everything to do the right thing for your child. As physicians, we're supposed to follow evidence-based medicine. And so much of the data did not show that what we're doing was the right thing.
You know, Professor Metaphysician studied as well.
Yeah, it's truly horrific with the pressure that is put on these families, often by these doctors, where the families are often not fully aware that the science here is strongly contested on things like the Cass report, on these reports of the AMA and the Society against these hospitals has been rejected by the Supreme Court in a case called Scrimeti involving a Tennessee law that restricted these types of procedures. The Supreme Court said that is not discrimination. So what James is saying here is basically the position of the dissent. The Supreme Court voted 6-3 to reject everything she said in this letter.
Yeah, she's a terrible lawyer, by the way. Many of her claims that she makes often get overturned. So we'll be following, Professor. Thanks so much for joining the program. By the way, we reached out to the Attorney General's office, not immediately hear back. Now to this, over to Ainsley.
That's nuts. All right, thank you so much, Lawrence.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all, and catch full shows streaming now on Fox 1.